Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I am a sucker for solar lights in a beautiful backyard, and thanks to these floating solar pool lights from LUBITTE, I am able to achieve both of those things. I was very impressed by how easy they were to set up and use. I've had other solar lights that were kind of complicated, but these were so simple. All I did was take them out of the box, inflate them with the hand pump that's included in the kit, and then set them on my front porch to absorb the sunshine. And after just a few hours, they were lit up and beautiful all night long. I was a little concerned about how lightweight these are. I was worried they would blow away in the night, but I've had them in my pool day and night, and they even stayed in my pool better than some of my pool floats. And then on those windy nights, it was no problem to just put them in the garage. I really was impressed by how durable the plastic is. These have sat in my pool or on my porch day and night, and they've shown no signs of deflation. They are so beautiful. They add beauty and elegance to my backyard, whether I have them in the pool, by my garden, or just sitting on my porch. They'd be perfect for a fall bonfire or to decorate for a party. They are bright and they turn off automatically when the sun comes out, and they turn back on at night. So if you're looking to add a little elegance and beauty to your porch, garden, or pool, then I think you're going to love these floating solar lights from LUBITTE. And that's my point of view.